mean, Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person, me come any months with your Maya.
Just come on, sit down. I didn't quite see a son now to host a sorry. Oh, yeah. And quite see a son now to host a head. Baby, but I got some joke. You know, by school, sir. Be sure the answer of what could you bra. And I have a best Tibra.
Papa, my day.
Cabana would see host a house for Fernando.
Oh, girl. This no ni move you no family or
my life adia me chiri ntro me say girl bay ajewano on fe ajewano
ofada bi antisa
on me fe precious ano
da be ofa me fe obi
ano won kan kure
ofa me fe obi ano
hewano
ofa sesa no mano tie mano e kokko dada but be free class ba here na metise no hu ya me kan me book dana na me hata me nema na precious ne na downfo no me kotu so oti baby isu na me pattern na o cassette
kotu so oti baby isu ya do ba school so obi isu na be pattern na say somebody crying you just go there and patters
offer
I said you just go there patters we are pattern for we need a pattern for na we ko pattern no e will be free chin no dia ba jam wa anka be dey
offer so obi anso
na come na me to me so
offer me nya
hwe no ba be to say it na so person wo person wo you know
person me here
now person wo ka host ha no
offer ya disuant ya me ofia
wallahi mami ayo day
offer
be si wo be ye day
offer me nya
center na wo person wo be ye day no
offer dem ofia me ntimi sua de na mfo se mi anti ha no ma wona na ma se
wo sa ba ye no enye the same man no na wo fa
offer me nya mas man ka ba se mentia sa me ya pon class in kamene na me chiro no boys na bomu ne mbaje offer me nya
hwe me ka chiro this is your first warning si wonnim na wan tro won priest have ma some sad guy no precious stay away from precious si wonnim na who say why you close to the precious one you see you see
him dey tell when you abrese how na precious na there
what that chintina me ni abre what
that way they different
stupid how you are we brought you come in school and learn but you don't learn
if I'm learning
that's why be learning
that's why I can speak good English these days
that's why be learning then you kiss somebody
if I'm in few obiano I've not kissed anybody if I'm
you're not telling me the truth
I'm
talking then you talking we bring you school try to educate it but you try to do a German
if I'm in German bia
wallahi wo me you day
no for when I can
see me you day sa niam no na abeya home who do you see makatro
offer
they say to home free precious no
offer me ni ho
precious no ni be ye close
offer one more information
makatro one man information animals will take you what about your
family
your garment
when abroad no krambe me
your garment what to be kawa if your garment need frown into man enemies go catch you as your garment what be kawa if you to man ne bro for me go actually all of you come and go all of this people house come and go
Ona ko kan se mu ya kire no fa odimri ka ba bi
who say my
na se ne ono so boge ni din ka se ge ne ne ba na asaso ne ge no na bi nkra me nkofi obi ano ge ne be pa ma cho na danfo ana ono kra obi a ni ho Opoku ne be to ye na Opoku nso de ono kra de on count dem as my best friend on kra de on tesa why no bi akoffi na no na wanhu na ye me a se mo school mo apon be ya na me wo for we
sa precious girl we pa otiti me wa o
maka sure says that precious ni yempe kwan bi fa ne fa so ba me ka o ntie nke na fa kwan bi so nke
enye se me ntie o said, my head, dear, may be a mitmisha bonny shake, but still now, why am I see a minister change the more I basao?
Because as Moses is only saying my aim, tell me that be a better first, not come near deal. Until so many proclaim the Nefaso. Young proclaim Vanefaso. This come at the minimum yet. So, can I change the visit uncle Jimmy now, Jimmy? Young proclaim Vanefaso. Was it in myself, or it's maybe a sake come? No. Maybe I now want and no one say did they quack. We send a question of some bar could be a cabana what's in them. Because only say change one thing 5 seconds, I met it in Mumu sound.
You better tell me a shian.
Okay.
Better tell me a shian. In town 10 baby or town for pa. Be a day as a canal, be a dream, but will be any mahon. Yea, it is like a canal whom born out. But you know,
I was on my yes, and why is that the crank by now we just say change a chidi. In my end, so I need to change on what time they are to the corner students will be.
and your best come out to the beer
And then the corner students will be
because maybe they want me from in Diago, what I say.
Or
Me from Diago,
or students will be room no watching. Yeah, my neighbor may remove my church about my church. I will see a show action, one show action and cut the school and clan and combat. Came in my baby probe and could be penny. You take action and may relax it, David.
You don't worry,
you're not saying I'm in a bit seconds, get.
Don't worry. Oh, okay.
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah,
They check you. It's not. I check you from top, from down. Seer, as someone me know who became my nimere. If we are seeing and pennies will be our baby or she and dog. Madame for you UK or she and the dog are you hostess say ya someone making a one will she and the dog.
So you're trying to say I'm your love?
No, I'm not saying that. Listen, let me learn.
Say, ever since we got here, you've been blabbing. I don't get what you're saying. You and I know you don't like me, and I also don't like you.
I know. But sometimes, say, Bia Semkrana, any pane yard, Bia, so bonachidom. You have to support the person. Why? Because for good things, the person do. Okay? What am I saying is, Adiana Woyan. If we are sitting in Bia, you're one day ye. In Yai Aroma da Aroma say that one bring system. Oh, Aroma, me Yai Muda, would you mean himself with me? And also some banasi young grown paso pa. Meaning so the Petra the Oya, the fat Petra no factional. Jaroma bosso. Yes, a school muha. Said your girls, and then you bring Aroma sono. Sister, Mommy, Monimre. Whatty?
Sir, come to think of it, why the sudden change? Because you're not like this. The last time you busted me and then I will never forget.
But today I'm not bastard you. Today I'm giving you just advice. If you like, take it. If you don't like, it's a good advice. And I'm a demon. But who says it's a Aroma now? This time you growing. No. But you may catch you say, one she ya, I'm sorry. Let me do your chair to you. A man for the G Aroma free one sem, Fadia boyem. Can you catch a Fadia boyema? Fadia boyem not channel. What it? And you Johnny Mobia, or baby or Baba will be you when him. Puno. Shino pa, shino. So.
You're not playing, are you?
No, I'm not playing. I'm serious. Let me move for my sheets.
Remove your sheets.
Then you see I'm serious. Huh?
Don't worry, you can put it back.
Oh, okay. Timisrao, Mawanimre, wati. Mawanimre na channel, wati.
So are you okay?
Oh, I'm okay.
Because this is not you.
It's me. And Manon, Yentina make us a Manon young one. Dear question now, I see.
And then I know you don't like it because the last time what you did to me, so I will never forget. Oh. So if you have a reason behind it, I should know.
You're growing. enti yentimi mfantete ya na ne yede tete ne ya house no yentimi hwe Aroma no e ma na ekono ho school mu apapapapapapapa e ma na ekono ho etimi srew ekwan bia obefa so Aroma no obetwe ne bia no twe no e ma Aroma ne chance kete a man a chance kete kwa.
No, sir, why are you on my side? What do you want?
I don't want nothing.
So why are you on my side? Cause I don't understand why the sudden change.
I'm not changing.
You've changed.
I'm not changing.
The last time you didn't approve of me and Aroma, but now you are here saying I should tie Aroma to my waist. I should grab Aroma.
That's what I'm telling you. Say you growing. You growing. First, the enemy at the tone. Me to me fast auntie to be. They say who yini. Hey. Huh? What is Jerome? Bibia me, I will support you. Okay?
I guess, Carl, you've been touching me since. Oh, sir.
Yeah, me touch you and your skin like cuckoo, but yeah. What they all cry, you promise now, sir. Why? It's me slow, but it's not me flow. Jerome. Who's Aroma no kwana and no. And I'm a parkora or sura, or who's a boy near or no kwana beginnerty. Who drew age this time around Ghana? Who drew 18, 19? What you growing? Yent mean shall so. But it's in 17, 16. Come in, Chima cry. Come in, Prince, Koto say him, and I'm coming to 51. But it's a say, 19 years. When you need intimate slow, Tana no one. What it? Thank you for your listening to advice, okay?
I've heard you.
Hey. So
you're acting all weird today. I don't understand.
Oh, that's what Timothy. What it? Timothy. Why?
And then you support me.
I will support you.
Say chance. You support me.
Yeah. Don't call me say chance. Then you say chance.
Sorry.
I told you already. Don't call me say chance. Then you call me say chance.
Sorry. I won't call you say chance. Say my.
But you call me say chance.
Say sorry.
Every day you say sorry. Is it pink boys?
Yes, because you've been stressing me since the last time. It started from the last time.
Come, let me give you.
Sir, thank you.
Oh, no.
No, thank you.
Oh, okay. It's a pain pies.
Yeah, it is.
It's a pain pies. Okay, it's me so ni what it? Why? And Chimo Biao. You baby Bia to be any.
I already told you.
Oh, okay. It be any. I'm about the car. So how is he me? So I will give one unit of there. For combination, so they know one book of school had the most what they hold the. Hey! Say you are there for her, Nicolini.
I have a date.
Send the colony.
Hey, sir.
Yeah. Room 6 none of Bohono. Do you know room 6?
No, sir.
You don't know room 6?
No, sir.
You know this? Oh, three. Yeah. Can I touch?
No.
Okay, I'm playing.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. I should stay with Aroma. The last time I checked, he never liked this. So what's going on?
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me pen kwa me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me person me come any months with me ya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. Pray that today you go be my day, yeah. Yeah, me pen kwa me know.
Don't ask for. What's your problem?
Okay, so act it up. Oh, you think I'm afraid of you?
I don't want you to be afraid of me.
Precious.
Asantua, handle this case. Relax for me.
Go back.
Shani, what are you coming to do?
Maybe
pump him.
Maybe she was afraid of you. Make a for me. Catch him. What's me?
Let me listen
Hey, make a for me. I mean, catch him. I mean,
You this girl, you be walking around, you be beating people.
What's your problem? Hey, let me tell you this. Stay away from saying my ear.
else.
Well, look at what you are saying. Stay away from Seer.
If you don't stay away from him, you see what
We don't like Seer Imaye. Who is he?
we are
Girls like us.
And who just like
I
who
don't
do
even
these
like
people are?
Imaye.
Who
We
is
are
he
fighting over
talking
a
to?
teacher.
Yes.
Who is even talking to you? Did I call you? She's my friend.
So
She's
what?
your friend as what? She's my friend.
And so
I
what?
fight for her. You know that she's soft, yeah.
But now stay away from him, else you will see me. I've been walking around this campus.
Yes.
Softly.
Oh, you guys come!
You don't know me, eh? You don't know me. You don't know me. How do you think? And go, what I don't tell you. Stay away from Precious. We are telling you to stay away from me. Warn your friend to stay away from me. Don't bully her. Don't bully her. Bullies of the school. Bullies of the school. Precious, stop. You this girl.
Abigail, don't dare
Yes,
me.
I want to try you. I want to try you.
Hey, you this girl.
Try me, and you will see.
You like it?
Bullies of the school.
No, you are trying my.
You should both of class. Be careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Stupid. I saw the school. I saw. But you don't like him.
The guys have been going around.
Pray that today you go be my day. Yeah, me I mean,
Madam, there are a lot of things going on in this school that, in fact, if I don't stand in to come and tell you as a mouthpiece for the students, the school's image will be tarnished completely. In fact, what I've seen today, I'm shocked. I'm perplexed by what I've seen. Madam, can you imagine that as I was walking to the junction, I saw 4 girls, 4 students of this school. Madam, what they were doing, I was even shocked.
Enough of the suspense. What were they
I
doing?
tell you,
Pull the bull by the horn. What is it?
Madam, those 4 girls at the hostel, I think it was Precious. Yes, that girl who acts innocent when she comes to class and those things. Precious.
The fair colored.
Yes, the fair colored one with her plenty hair like this. Your hair so free, no? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and then Anderson, her friend Anderson, and then Charlie. Yes, that short girl.
Charlie.
Yes, Charlie or Charlie. I
Charlie.
don't really know her name. She works with Opoku also. And then Asantua. Madam, they were fighting.
Fighting in this school.
Madam, they were fighting in this school. And in fact, when I found out the reason for the fight, I was shocked because it made me understand that these girls did not come to the school.
Enough of the ranting.
Madam, let me
Cut the
explain
story
it.
short. What is happening?
They were fighting over Seer Imaye.
Wait. Make it clear. Fighting over Seer Imaye.
Yes. Madam, according to what I heard, they were fighting over Seer Imaye in the sense that Asantua was telling the others to stay away from her boyfriend. In the sense they were dating Seer Imaye.
You don't say.
Madam, I'm
They are what?
They are dating. They are in a relationship with Seer Imaye.
All 4 girls are dating
Yes.
Maye.
All 4 of them.
And it is the reason for their wrong.
Yes. Both of the 4 of them. That's why they were fighting there.
I hope this is not true.
Madam, why would I lie to you?
I hope this is not true because if
Madam.
this is true,
Madam, they are being nuisance in the school.
so Imaye, dating all 4 girls.
Yes.
As a result of that, they are fighting
They
themselves.
were fighting at the junction. Madam, I saw it with my own 2 eyes. I bear witness to this commotion caused. It happened not long ago.
Should I trust your words?
Madam, trust me.
Should I take you by your words?
Madam, everybody in this school knows that you have to trust me. I have the best information. Madam,
Lead me to the hostel.
Let's go.
What is there?
My parents said that they will come to that, but they haven't got it. I think they are now.
So you want a phone to call them?
No, if you could learn me about it.
What is the meaning of that? Is this a way of telling me to grease your palms because you gave me such vital information?
Madam, please, you have my word. I'll pay you back. Madam, it's you.
My dear, let's handle that issue.
Madam, with the money.
I will give it to you. Let's go to the hostel first. Let me face the girls squarely.
Madam,
Sure, but
Is it about the money? Or is it about to put things right in the school? The school comes first, so let's handle that first.
Let's try that.
I will see to it that you eat. Are you forcing things on me?
I can't force.
Let's get going.